Hello everyone, how have you been? Today's word has been suggested by Anmol Kaur, an eminent member of this family, that is Vincent's English Academy. The word is opprobrious. Opprobrious, it's an adjective. So today we are going to learn about its meaning, also about the noun form, that is opprobrium. Okay, let's begin. Let's first learn its pronunciation. Okay, so I have divided this word into 4 parts. Prow. It's not pro, it's prow. Prow, bree, us. Prow, bree, us. Now join 2 together. Okay, opprobrious. Opprobrious. Now join them all together and say opprobrious. Opprobrious. Yes, the stress is on the second syllable. Now, if you watched my video on the pronunciation of the days of the week and the months, you must have learned how we practice the stresses upon certain syllables. Okay, let's do it here. So, opprobrious. We raise our hands only while practicing, okay, not while speaking. So, opprobrious. Opprobrious. Say that. Opprobrious. Now, opprobrium, same thing. Opprobrium. Join 2 together and say opprobrium. Opprobrium. Now join them all together and say opprobrium. Opprobrium. Great. Opprobrious comes from the Latin word opprobari, which means to reproach or taunt. Opprobrious is an adjective. It means extremely or outrageously shameful, disgraceful. For example, opprobrious conduct, opprobrious behavior, or opprobrious character, attitude. It means reproachful, scornful, abusive, disrespectful, invective, dishonorable, infamous. It means expressing scorn or disgrace or contempt or strong criticism. It means expressing opprobrium, strong, severe opprobrium. And from here we come to the noun form, that is opprobrium. Opprobrium means harsh or severe criticism, disrespect, dishonor, ill fame, slander, mudslinging. It's public disgrace arising from shameful conduct. So you can receive or face opprobrium. Something can bring opprobrium, that is bring disgrace or severe criticism, abuse. All right, let's understand this through some examples. You can say that you faced opprobrium or public opprobrium because of your opprobrious remarks on this particular issue. You shouldn't have spoken like that. Okay, if you're a speaker, please do not use opprobrious remarks, opprobrious words or language, or do not have opprobrious attitude or body language. Okay, so that's all about opprobrious and opprobrium. It's a formal word, a heavy word, but with practice, you would be able to use this word confidently. I'm confident about it. Okay, so keep learning, keep suggesting, stay blessed, stay safe.